This video is going to help you if you found yourself with creating multiple projects inside of Noomu. We'll talk about what a project is and also if you end up putting things in different places, how to get them back together. So, just as a matter of understanding, a project is basically your plan. So I am in my project. It's called Alice's website, and it has 4 websites in it. You can have multiple websites in your project. Now, that depends on what your plan allows. If you have a starter plan, then you probably are allowed 1 website that can be active, but you can actually add more websites if you would like to play around with them and see which one works, but you would have 1 that is active. If you have a plan that allows more websites, you can add even more than your limit has. You just won't be able to have them public. So generally speaking, you want everything in one project unless maybe you're developing websites for other people and you want to have them separately and on a separate plan, or you have a business partner or something like that. So if you want to see where your other projects are, if you've accidentally created them or on purpose. So back to here, we were in Builder. So you log in and you see your website. To find the other one, you would go to Dashboard and you can go switch project. So you can see I have Alice's project website and I have Alice's second project, and I can switch in between them. But these have their own separate billing and everything like that. So what happens if you did this by accident and you want to put your stuff all back into one? That is not a problem. You can do that. So you go to My Sites and Funnels on this particular project. So say I only want to have my first project. I don't want this website in my second project. I did it by accident. So I'd go to My Sites and Funnels, and then I'd go to Websites, and I'd click, this is the only one I have here, and I want to move it back to my other site. So I would click the settings gear here, and then I would move to another project and I'd select the project, and then I would have everything back together again. So as a little tip for you as well, if you are ever following our links where we give you an option to grab a template and you want to try it out, generally speaking, do not choose add to new project. You should add it to an existing project unless you want this project put into a new plan. So for my case, I want everything going in this first plan, so I would add it there and then I'm ready to go and it will be inside that one plan. I do hope that helps, and if you have any trouble or there's any confusion and you need a hand, there is the comments area, but of course go to noomu.com/FAQ, and at the bottom there is a support form where you can fill in the details of your website and we can give you a hand.